CoolFly. The CoolFly standing eVTOL is a single-occupant electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed to make personal flight more accessible, practical, and intuitive. Unlike conventional aircraft, it takes off and lands vertically, eliminating the need for a runway and allowing operation from compact spaces. Designed for urban air mobility, tourism, outdoor recreation, and emergency response, the aircraft features a standing riding position that provides excellent visibility and a natural flying experience. The aircraft has a maximum payload capacity of 110 kilograms, a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour, and a flight time of up to 30 minutes. Constructed from aviation-grade T800 carbon fiber, it weighs approximately 115 kilograms while maintaining a lightweight, high-strength structure. It is also rated IP65 for water and dust resistance, making it suitable for a wide range of operating environments. Rather than using traditional flight controls, the CoolFly standing eVTOL is flown through an intuitive gravity-sensing control system. Similar to riding a self-balancing scooter, the pilot controls the aircraft by shifting body weight. Leaning forward commands forward flight, leaning backward slows or stops the aircraft, while side-to-side movements initiate directional changes. A dedicated flight controller continuously processes data from multiple aviation-grade IMU sensors, monitoring the rider's movements thousands of times per second to maintain stability and responsive control. Safety is a central element of the CoolFly design. Enclosed ducted prop fans shield the rotating blades, reducing the risk of accidental contact while also improving rider confidence. Additional safety features include AI-assisted flight control, triple redundant flight systems, redundant battery and propulsion architecture, automatic radar-assisted landing, the ability to remain controllable after the loss of a motor, and a ballistic parachute for emergency recovery. Together, these systems are intended to provide multiple layers of protection while delivering a stable and enjoyable personal flying experience. UDX Airwolf. The UDX Airwolf is a next-generation electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL hoverbike developed by Czech company UDX Unlimited Drone Experience to redefine personal air mobility through advanced electric propulsion and innovative aircraft design. Built around a lightweight carbon fiber composite airframe, the Airwolf features 4 independently controlled tilting electric ducted fans that provide vertical lift, transition capability, and efficient forward flight. The aircraft also incorporates tandem wings that generate approximately 50% of the required lift during cruise, reducing energy consumption and extending flight efficiency. The Airwolf is designed to carry 1 pilot and 1 passenger, with a maximum payload of 150 kilograms. It has an empty weight of approximately 290 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 440 kilograms. The aircraft measures 3.2 meters in length, 4.55 meters in flight width, and 2.45 meters in transport width. Performance targets include a maximum speed of 230 kilometers per hour, acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3 seconds, a flight endurance of about 25 minutes, and an operational range of up to 66 kilometers on a single battery charge. Powered by 4 electric motors delivering a combined output of approximately 320 kilowatts, the Airwolf supports charging through standard electric vehicle charging systems. Additional features include AI-assisted flight stabilization, multiple flight modes, enclosed ducted fans for enhanced safety, and fully electric propulsion that delivers quiet operation with 0 direct in-flight emissions, making it a promising platform for future recreational and urban air mobility applications. FlyNow eCopter. FlyNow eCopter is an advanced electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by FlyNow Aviation to provide efficient, affordable, and sustainable urban air mobility. Designed to reduce traffic congestion and lower environmental impact, the e-copter offers fast point-to-point transportation with zero direct emissions and exceptionally low noise levels, making it well suited for modern cities. The aircraft can transport up to 200 kilograms of cargo, reaching speeds of approximately 130 kilometers per hour with a range of up to 50 kilometers on a single charge. Its modular platform also supports specialized configurations for cargo logistics, medical evacuation, firefighting, and emergency response. Built around a simple coaxial rotor system, the e-copter is engineered for lower manufacturing and operating costs while maintaining high safety standards and energy efficiency. FlyNow Aviation has completed hundreds of successful test flights and is progressing through certification under European Union Aviation Safety Agency (EASA) regulations. The company is also developing the supporting ecosystem for automated air mobility, including vertiports, flight management systems, and digital infrastructure through partnerships such as the Sky Alliance for Automated Air Mobility. By combining innovative engineering with practical operating economics, the FlyNow e-copter represents a scalable solution for the future of urban and regional transportation. Silverwing Personal Flight S1. The Silverwing Personal Flight S1 is an innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft created by a team of engineering students from TU Delft. Designed as a personal flying vehicle, the S1 combines advanced aerodynamics, electric propulsion, and autonomous flight technology to explore new possibilities in individual air transportation. Its distinctive motorcycle-style riding position, streamlined cockpit, and twin-ducted fans allow the aircraft to transition smoothly from vertical takeoff to efficient forward flight. The compact design enables operation from spaces no larger than a standard parking spot, removing the need for traditional runways. The S1 was developed for the Boeing Go Fly competition, where the Silverwing team earned recognition by winning the first two competition phases with its innovative concept and engineering excellence. The aircraft was designed with a target cruise speed of approximately 140 kilometers per hour, a flight duration of up to 30 minutes, and a payload capacity of 90 kilograms. It also features an autonomous flight system supported by an augmented reality interface, making operation more accessible while improving safety. Although the S1 remains a prototype, it demonstrates how electric propulsion, lightweight construction, and intelligent flight systems could shape the future of personal air mobility and sustainable aviation. Pantala Concept H. The Pantuo Pantala Concept H is a next-generation electric vertical takeoff and landing passenger aircraft developed by Pantuo Aviation in Shanghai, China, to support future urban and regional air mobility. Designed for both piloted and autonomous operations, the aircraft features a vectored thrust configuration with canard tilt wings that transition smoothly between vertical takeoff and efficient forward flight. The Concept H is designed to accommodate 5 occupants, consisting of 1 pilot and 4 passengers, or 5 passengers in its planned autonomous configuration. It has a projected cruise speed of 300 km per hour and an estimated flight range of 250 km on battery power. The aircraft is powered by 22 electric motors driving 22 large-diameter ducted fans integrated within the wings, providing distributed electric propulsion for improved safety, redundancy, and significantly reduced operating noise. Its lightweight carbon fiber composite airframe, retractable tricycle landing gear, panoramic cabin, and advanced fly-by-wire flight control architecture are designed to maximize aerodynamic efficiency, passenger comfort, and operational reliability. Pantuo Aviation has also developed the half-scale demonstrator T1 to validate the aircraft's propulsion, flight control, and tilt-wing technologies through flight testing. Although the Pantala Concept H remains under development and has not yet entered commercial production or certification, it represents an innovative approach to sustainable, high-speed, zero-emission air transportation for future smart cities. City Airbus NextG. The Airbus City Airbus Next Gen is a fully electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft developed by Airbus to provide safe, sustainable, and efficient urban air mobility. Designed primarily for passenger transport, the aircraft accommodates 1 pilot and 3 passengers, offering a total seating capacity of 4. It features a fixed-wing configuration with a V-shaped tail and 8 electrically powered propellers mounted on 4 twin motor nacelles, delivering distributed electric propulsion for enhanced safety, redundancy, and low-noise operation. The City Airbus Next Gen has an overall length of approximately 11.8 meters, a wingspan of 12.0 meters, and a maximum takeoff weight of around 2,200 kilograms. Powered by lithium-ion battery technology, the aircraft is designed to cruise at speeds of approximately 120 km per hour, with a maximum operating range of about 80 km and an endurance of around 40 minutes. It is optimized for flights over densely populated urban areas while producing significantly lower noise levels than conventional helicopters. The aircraft incorporates a lightweight composite airframe, advanced fly-by-wire flight controls, and autonomous ready avionics to support future automated operations. Airbus successfully completed the first flight of the City Airbus Next Gen demonstrator in 2024 and continues certification activities with the European Union Aviation Safety Agency (EASA) as part of its strategy to commercialize advanced air mobility solutions for cities worldwide. Oddis Aviation. Oddis Aviation is developing a new generation of hybrid electric eVTOL aircraft designed to combine vertical takeoff and landing capability with the speed, range, and efficiency of conventional fixed-wing aircraft. Rather than relying on complex tilt-rotor mechanisms, the company employs an innovative flap-based thrust vectoring system that redirects airflow to generate vertical lift, reducing mechanical complexity while improving reliability and certification potential. This approach is paired with hybrid electric propulsion, allowing the aircraft to achieve substantially greater range, payload capacity, and endurance than many battery-powered eVTOL designs. Oddis is advancing 2 primary platforms: the uncrewed Lila cargo aircraft and the larger Alta regional aircraft. Lila is designed for logistics, defense, humanitarian, and emergency response missions, offering approximately 450 miles of range with a payload of up to 130 pounds. Alta is intended for larger regional transport operations, targeting a range of around 1,200 miles and a payload capacity of approximately 3,500 pounds. Both aircraft are engineered for operations from locations without conventional runways, enabling access to remote communities and challenging environments. By integrating hybrid propulsion, advanced flight control systems, and a scalable aircraft architecture, Oddis Aviation aims to deliver efficient, mission-adaptable eVTOL solutions for commercial, government, and defense operators worldwide. Alto Volo Sigma. The Alto Volo Sigma is a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft developed by Alto Volo to provide high-performance personal and regional air transportation. Designed as an ultra-compact 3-seat aircraft, the Sigma combines a patent-pending tilting electric jet propulsion system with advanced aerodynamic surfaces to deliver efficient vertical takeoff, stable hover, and high-speed forward flight. Its hybrid electric architecture uses battery power for vertical operations and liquid fuel for extended cruise, providing greater range than many fully electric eVTOL aircraft. The aircraft is designed with a lightweight composite structure, integrated fly-by-wire flight controls, and advanced avionics to improve safety, handling, and operational reliability. It also incorporates thrust vectoring, triple redundant flight control systems, dual redundant power systems, 8 independent electric motors, and a ballistic parachute capable of deployment from approximately 50 feet. The Sigma has a maximum takeoff weight of 980 kilograms, a payload capacity of 270 kilograms for up to 3 occupants and luggage, a length of 4.05 meters, and a width of 4.8 meters. Performance targets include a cruise speed of 220 miles per hour, a top speed of 290 miles per hour, a hybrid range of 510 miles, an electric-only range of 260 miles, a hover endurance of approximately 15 to 18.5 minutes, a service ceiling of 10,000 feet, and an estimated takeoff noise level of 65 to 70 decibels at 100 meters, making it substantially quieter than conventional helicopters. These figures are company targets for the current design and remain subject to validation during development and certification.